Okay, so I'm going to explain the phase change activity and what I would like you to do. So let me present this. Okay, so here the activity is called Understanding Phase Change, and that is the goal. The instructions are here. First, I would like you to watch the instructional video. Then I want you to complete the pages below for understanding phase change. And here I have a picture that can help you. Here we have a solid. When a solid goes to a liquid, that is called melting. And that means the energy is increasing. The molecules move more in a liquid than they do in a solid. In a solid, maybe they vibrate a little bit. When we go from a liquid to a gas, that is called boiling. We increase the energy, and the liquid turns into a gas. When we go the other direction, when a gas turns into a liquid, we call that condensation. The energy is decreasing in this direction. The molecules are moving more slower. And when we go from liquid to solid, this is called freezing. And again, we're losing energy. The energy is decreasing when we go this direction, decreasing here. And the molecules move more slowly. So you're going to go to the next page, and I want you to watch this video. This video will show you how the molecules in a solid, liquid, and gas look. Then I want you to draw the molecules in a solid. Here you draw the molecules. You can copy this and organize the molecules inside the solid. Then you can copy this here and make copies and organize them how they should look inside a liquid. And then you can copy this and also organize it how you think they should look inside of a gas. Now in a solid, we know the molecules move slow and they're also organized close together. In a liquid, they move a little faster. And in a gas, they move even faster because they have more energy. Then I want you to complete these sentences here. For each sentence, you're going to choose whether the kinetic energy of the molecules are larger or smaller, and we're going to compare solids, liquids, and gases. So for example, the first one. The average kinetic energy of the molecules in a solid, so here, is it larger or smaller than a liquid? So here the molecules move more slowly than a liquid. So that is smaller, okay, than a liquid. So when you finish those sentences, you can just delete which one is not required or not useful or not true. Then I want you to go here and watch this video. This video explains the changes of state or changes of phases for solids, liquids, and gases. And then I want you to go here and you're going to fill in the blank with these vocabulary words. And with these vocabulary words up here. So you have the vocabulary words, and then you're going to fill in the blank. And so, for example, this one here, is this a solid, liquid, or a gas? So this is ice. It's water in a solid form. So for number 6, I would write solid. Solid. Okay? And you're going to repeat that for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so that's this page. Next page, I want you to watch this video. It's going to explain a graph. This is a phase change temperature graph. Okay, it's going to help you to complete the next slide. And on the next slide, you will see here, it's very similar to what you're going to see in the video, but this is a graph. It's a little complicated and difficult to understand, but it can be useful in understanding phase change and what is happening. So you have the vocabulary on the right, and then that is what's going to go into these spaces here. Okay, so we can do one together. We just did this. So this ice cube represents a solid. Okay, this water represents, what does it represent? Liquid, and this cloud represents a gas. Okay, so we did solid, liquid, gas, and now we need to show where does the rest of the vocabulary go. And that's it for this assignment.